I'd show you a day in the life of wheat harvest out here in north central Montana. So we had a little rain last night, so we can't roll right away today. But it'll give us time to check the combine over and make sure everything is good to roll for later today. Engine oil is good. Main gear case hydraulic oil. Rock trap. Make sure if we picked up any rocks, we get them out of here. It's a little dusty. I also need to double check the tension on my drapers. This is the tensioner for the center draper. We are going to tighten it just a hair. And then each side draper has its own tensioner, and these do need tightened a little bit. Check our coolant, make sure nothing looks out of place. So we got an 11.7 moisture, so we're good to roll. rain, you can't see the sunset very good because of the dust, but beautiful evening out here. Last pass of the night, 10:35. Got the field finished up. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed.